What's up, guys? Brotherhood of Ram here. So me and Dad are going to the place where they have all the cool old trucks and the tanks and whatnot, and Cummins hasn't been running days, I believe, just how Dad explained it, and it's pretty cold out. I am recording with a new phone, so there's that. So we're gonna hop up in here. Trying to get the dirt and crap off of my boots. Here we go. Okay, so (27°). We're in neutral. Wait for the grid heater to... You know she's cold when she kicks right into high idle. Figured you guys would enjoy this video. Man, that sounds good. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I'll see if I can record a few stuff here and there if we're at the place. If not, I won't record, but this one will be uploaded once we get back. Hope you guys enjoyed.